Today, we unbox the Rotary Roller RR3. The RR3 is our newly developed next-generation rotary roller product. It is compact, flexible, easy to use, and cost-effective. It is compatible with Pixie as the primary model, and also supports DIY Kit MK2, Alpha MK2, Delta, and other laser engraving machines. It is mainly used for engraving small cylindrical objects. The RR3 has 4 different gears. The distance between the rollers can be adjusted by moving the fixing screws. Connect the RR3 to your laser engraver using the included cable, allowing the Y-axis to function as a rotary axis. The RR3 comes with a side bracket that can be installed at the bottom of the RR3 to support the base of wine glasses.